So let's start with the next part. Practice set 6.6 pie diagram. Pie diagram, it is used to represent the data in circle, in circular part, in circle. Here you can see the question number 1. The age group of the number of person who donated a blood in blood donation camp is given below. Draw a pie diagram from it. So how to draw the pie diagram? So what you have to do in that, first you add the given number of person, add this all, this one, this and this. So 80 plus 60 plus 35 plus 25. So you get the 200. Now find out the central angle. Measure of central angle, you have to find theta. So the number of score in the component upon total number of scores into 360. So here first number is 80 and total we get the 200. So 80 upon 200, which is multiplied with the 360. So calculate it. This way you can calculate. This 8 is cancelled with the 2, you get a 4. Okay, 4 multiplied with 36 is 144. Like this, you do all the data and find out the central measure, theta. So total you get a 360 because of measure, total measure of the circle is 360. Okay, and now this central measure you have to represent in a pie diagram. Here you have to draw in circle. So first you can draw the circle of any radius, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Then draw one line. Suppose this line you drawn. Keep your protractor here and take a measure of 144 and draw this line. Then now keep your protractor on this line in reverse way and take the measure of 108 degree and draw this line. Now keep your protractor on this line and take a 63. Draw this way. Then keep protractor here and draw 45 degree. So this way you can represent all the data in pie diagram. Is it clear? Hope that it is clear to all of you. Okay. So let's start with the next sum. Remark obtained by student in different subjects are shown. Draw a pie diagram. Here you can see English, Marathi, Science, Mathematics, Social Science, Hindi and 50. So here it is 50, 70, 80, 90. Good. It's got it. This is a scholar in mathematics, I think. That's why I got it a 90 marks. And here it is 50. So the first thing, you have to add all this and find out total number, total marks obtained is a 400. Then measure of central angle. Again, you have to find theta. Use the same formula. 50 upon 400 into 360, you get a 45. You know how to do the calculation. So in the end, you get total 360. Now this data you have to represent in circle. So first draw the circle of any radius, any measure, and then Represent one by one all the measure in the circle. So this is known as pi diagram. Hope that it is clear to all of you. Whatever is the remaining sums you have to solve at home, that is homework for all of you. Okay. And with this, we completed our chapter number 6 and mathematics part 1. So hope that it is clear to all of you. Okay then.